Do you guys want to see some more? Oh, he says he can't hear you in there. Do you want more? Watch now as he goes round and round and upside down. Come on now, he can hear you. 18-year-old Valorian. Do you want even more? Watch now as we take it one step further, and I enter the danger zone as he races around me, narrowly missing my body and even reaching out to give me a high five.